Hello everyone, I am Clever Fly, and this column Clever Fly's advice. And advice to you today: walk like Steve Jobs. Steve loved to have important talks while walking. This keeps conversation more flexible and easier process for brainstorming if need to be. Not to mention we could all use more exercise in our life. He was onto something. Conducting a meeting while walking has clear health benefits for the participants, but it's turned out it benefits the meeting too. New research from the University of Hong Kong shows that walking side by side helps people connect to each other. This effect is so powerful that it works on people who never met before, even while they aren't speaking to each other. And it happens in less than 5 minutes. Jobs was known for his persuasiveness and his ability to bring people on board with his vision, and that included a profound understanding of how to connect with other people. And so his instinct doublets told him what the Hong Kong's university experiment just proved. Not only is walking a great way to access our own creativity, it's a great way to enjoy it with others as well. I hope this information will be useful. Please comment on the console, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my helpful advice from Cleverfly. Good luck!